back to my channel. I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Tashe, and if you are just an original subscriber, my little tiny family, hey girl, welcome back. It's been a while. I know we have a lot of catching up to do, but we're going to get into there like real soon. Today's video is basically about how I achieved this face. It's about how I achieved this face in the hottest day in the UK of history. It's supposed to be like 42 degrees today. If not 42 degrees today, then tomorrow is going to be 42 degrees, and today is around 38, 39. So it is extremely hot. If you guys are wearing makeup in this heat, this is how you can keep your makeup on without any touch-ups and have it last for a very long period of time. My makeup lasts me the whole day, hands down. Ask my clients, they will tell you it don't move. But without further ado, this is how I got this face. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I'm so sorry if you can hear background noise. It is extremely hot. I live on the top floor and the whole landing is just hot, like hot. It's just extremely hot, so I apologize for the noise. I want to get this video over and done with before everyone comes back indoors. So to start off with my face, I'm going to moisturize with the Too Faced Good to Go moisturizer. It's an SPF moisturizer as well, so I assume that helps with like sunburning and stuff like that, protects the skin. I'm literally going with like 2 pumps and put that all over my face. I feel beautiful. Next thing I'm gonna do is go into the NYX the Marshmallow Primer. I have used this one time before, and if I'm honest, the only reason why I really like this primer when I first used it is because I was extremely hot, and when I applied this to my face, it made my face cool. Like I had like an ice pack on my face. I'm using this as primer, and I'm gonna pump 2 squirts. It just feels so cool. It's like it just doesn't get hot or doesn't get warm at all. It just makes the face like so like cold. Not cold, but very cool. The next step is, because it's extremely hot and I don't want my makeup to budge, I don't want it to go anywhere, I'm going in with the Milk Grip Primer, and I'm going to apply this on my face also. There we go. Ooh. This is another primer that keeps the skin cool as well, but it also makes the makeup last longer. It feels so good. The next step, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. When doing your makeup in heat, you have to try and like wear minimal amount of makeup, so I'm not gonna do so much with my brows. I'm just gonna brush them up and conceal them. Today I'm gonna be using the Lancome foundation. I am in the shade 08. I'm not really sure if, yeah, it just says 08, and I'm going to use 1 pump of this, and then I'm going to use 1 pump of my Huda Beauty Glowish tinted moisturizer. You can use any tinted moisturizer for this. This squeezes out quite a lot, as you can see. I'm going to show you. That's 1 pump, but it's very light coverage. It's literally like a moisturizer. It's like putting cream on your face. It's just tinted, so don't be alarmed by it. This is why I say go with a moisturizer. And then with my Lancome foundation, I'm gonna just use 1 pump of this. It seems like a lot, I know, but we're not going to use all of it. It's up to you if you want to use all of it. Again, a majority of it is just the tinted moisturizer, and we're just using the formula from the foundation just to keep the just to keep the moisturizer to stay a bit longer, because moisturizer, it can come off, the skin absorbs it, it will move, especially if it's not set. So I always go in with a foundation. This is the second time I've used Lancome. Normally I will use more of a mattifying foundation. I do think the Lancome is mattifying, but I'm not 100% sure. So if you do decide that you're going to use my method, use a tinted moisturizer, but do it with a pump of a matte foundation, especially if you have oily skin. I'm using the Real Techniques 2-for-1 brush, the Seamless Complexion brush. I got this from Feel Unique, I think. It was like £8 for like a brush set. I was thinking, what, Real Techniques, why not? But I'm gonna brush this out, so I don't want it to stay. Just like pat it into the skin. As you can see, it's not heavy at all. Like, it's like you didn't even use a foundation. The moisturizer kind of takes it up for you. It literally is like, it's like moisturizer that I've applied to my face. Really, it doesn't even feel like I've put foundation on, literally. Whatever I have left over on my hand, I'm gonna apply to the areas where I didn't exactly put the foundation / moisturizer. Concealer wise, I am using the NARS concealer in the shade Custard. Morphe M173 brush. This can dry pretty quickly. Gonna go in with the Too Faced concealer in the shade Shortbread to further highlight underneath my eyes only. I'm then gonna go in with my Hourglass foundation in the shade Golden Amber, and I use this just to bring warmth back into my face. I look crazy right now, crazy. I know, trust in the process. I'm going in with this R46 cream and powder blush brush from Morphe. Looks a bit like this. Sorry, a few months ago I was thinking, oh, let me try it. But I like to like makeup holder, so I never actually use these things. Hopefully I can get this edited and up by tomorrow, so that you guys actually have a chance to plan. Again, whatever's left over, use it for the forehead. Normally I would use a smaller brush, but I have no excuse. I really want to try out this brush. I'm going back in with the L'Oreal concealer, Infallible concealer that I use to conceal my brows, and I'm gonna apply it on my forehead and back on my nose, so it's like so. So I basically use less foundation and a tad bit more concealer for this look. Using more of a fluffier brush because I feel like it will evenly disperse the makeup around where I need it. going in with my favorite powder, and this is the Laura Mercier powder, and I'm using the shade Translucent for this one. I'm setting everywhere I put that concealer, and I'm pressing it into the skin like this until it's like invisible. We're not trying to bake at all, we're just pressing it in. And then we're just gonna pat some here, you know, just pat it in. I'm using my Caramel Cutie bronzer from Fenty Beauty today, and I'm just gonna use this to just set where I placed my cream bronzer. And I'm gonna just pat it here. I'm gonna pat it like up. Just pat it into the skin. So far, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go in with my setting spray, or is it my finishing spray? I know the difference, but I just can't remember which goes first. But I'm gonna spray the MAC Fix Plus. This is absolutely my favorite one to spray the face with. But this one's actually limited edition. This is the wild cherry one, and it smells amazing. Ooh. Next up, for blush, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. You can actually skip the bronzer step and actually just blush. That's something that I probably should have done, so you have less makeup on. But I really love contouring, so something that I'm just not ready to, you know, get rid of. But for blush, I'm gonna use this orange shade here. Probably mix it with a bit of that one. Dust it off because it's a bit pigmented, and I'm gonna just like pat it here. Orange blush for the summertime is the one. Remember I told you. But I'm gonna pat it in like right here, like placing it into the concealer but like bringing it up at the same time. I'm going to be using my MAC Cork lip liner to line my lip. Blend it all together. Literally elf lip gloss, pink, you can't go wrong. Gonna put the tiniest amount of the Jordana Forget Me Not lip gloss in the center of my lip. I really feel for like a bright inner corner, so I'm gonna go with some yellow because I feel like a yellow is a nice little summer color. I'm gonna place it here. I don't know about you, but I look cute, and I know this makeup's gonna last me a very long time. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Now I know the difference. The setting spray is the one that you use to set the face after you've completed your whole look. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. This is the Holy Grail spray. If you don't have it already, add it to your kit. This is going to make your makeup last a very long time. Favorite setting spray ever. I'm gonna keep it in the description box, the link below, for you to purchase it and add it to your kit. I'm telling you, like 100%, no kidding, no, like, I'm being dead serious. This setting spray needs to be in every single person's kit. It's my favorite spray. It's my favorite spray. You can get it from Look Fantastic. Remember to use my code LFTF Tasheé, that's T-A-S-H-E-E, for 20% off Look Fantastic and your order in general. So I'm gonna have that on the screen or in my description box as well. The last thing that I'm gonna do now before I finish my makeup is I'm gonna go in with some highlight, and I'm just gonna highlight my nose, and then if I decide that I want to highlight like my cheekbones or anything, I'll just like use a shimmer. Hey guys, so that is literally the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know it's been a very long time since I've been posting. I have been trying to work on a lot of things behind the closed doors, and that was a video that I was supposed to upload before this one, but I was thinking, let me upload this one and smooth in there rather than just be so serious straight away. So I hope you guys really appreciate this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'm on my journey to my first 1,000 subscribers, so join the family and let's just have some fun. Hey guys, that is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Remember to give this a thumbs up. Everything that I've used is in the description box below. A majority of these things you can find on Look Fantastic, so you can use my code. I'm also going to place that in the link below or on the screen somewhere. I'm not sure, new to this, so I'm trying, and that code will get you 20% off of the products on Look Fantastic. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you all for the support. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.